How to log in Bitgate account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to log into your Bitgate account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you have installed and updated your Bitgate applications on your device. After that, tap on it to launch the Bitgate applications on your device. And then you will land on the official interface of BitGate, where you need to tap on the continue button to continue to the other steps. Now tap allow to send BitGate you the notifications and then select the 3 dots at the top or the 9 dots at the top left corner of the screen. Now you will get access to this page where you can easily find the login button. So tap on the login button at the top left corner and here you can easily enter your email or mobile number and then tap on the next button to proceed towards your login process. You can either use your sub account in order to log into your Bitget account. Here you can easily enter your email and the password. If you forget your email or the password, you can easily tap on forget your password link and recover your password. After a while, you can tap on the login button and successfully go through the on-screen prompts and then log into Bitget account. That's all for today. Hope this video was helping or hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.